Welcome back to Oils with Lynn. Today we're talking about something every parent has faced: getting kids to eat their veggies. If your kids are like most kids, vegetables are not exactly their first choice when it comes to snack time. But here's the deal: vegetables are absolutely essential for our kiddos' growth, energy, immune support, and even brain development. From fiber and vitamins to antioxidants, veggies are little nutrient powerhouses our kids really need. But let's be real, it doesn't matter how healthy veggies are if they won't eat them, right? So today I've got a little mom hack for you. This is my go-to veggie dip. It's creamy and it has a hint of citrus from wild orange essential oil, plus peanut butter, which is basically a win for every kid. Here's what you'll need: 1/3 cup of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt, and 2 or 3 drops of wild orange essential oil. Just mix everything together in a small bowl until it's nice and smooth. Now serve it up with crunchy vegetables like carrots, celery, cucumbers, maybe some snap peas. Trust me, your kids will be dipping everything into this. And guess what? They're getting their veggies and their immune boosting oils all in one bite. When veggies are fun and delicious, kids are way more likely to eat them and build lifelong healthy habits. So give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments if your kids love it. Sometimes it's the simplest recipes that are the best ones to keep your family healthy and thriving.